is going on. Lot of people here. They are dancing. Was opening the horse ride. They are dancing. There is a big party. So let's cover up. You see the Khalil also here. The check. Our chef. This is the Khalil. You see the Khalil. He gone to so many places, and also he has gone to Bondi Beach also. Khalil is a nice house. Yeah, Khalil. Yes, guys, we are with the Suleiman. Suleiman, how is the Khalil today?
Yeah,
And
he's a bit quiet.
yeah,
Guys, a bit.
and he got some hype today. He got some hype, so a lot of people here, and also Ahmad just arrived. We are waiting for the Ahmad with Ferrari. Ahmad arrived with Ferrari, and you see a lot of people waiting for him. So $1 Millionaire channel, you see $1 Millionaire channel will cover up, and Ahmad get a little bit free time. Suleiman, what do you say about the Khalil? How is the performance, Khalil performance? Yeah,
Like it.
everyone like it, and he's been so many in the news also nowadays.
Yeah, famous music, 7 News and everywhere.
7 News and everywhere. You see the Khalil is gone into the 7 News, Channel 9 News also. Khalil has gone. So I like Khalil, and he's a nice white horse. So we'll cover up once just check it out. The rides are there, and you see the opening. Ahmad, they are dancing here. So we'll take a little bit cover up with Ahmad. So Suleiman bhai, we will just chat after we catch up with Ahmad. We'll chat with $1 Millionaire channel. We'll chat up, and Khalil can say anything about the event. Khalil, do you want to say anything about the event? Yeah, you see Khalil understand myself. Khalil, you want to say anything about the event? You see, Khalil, you like the event, Khalil? Today is the opening day. Nice, Khalil, nice work, you see. So just check it out. And when Ahmad get free time, he came in the Lamborghini. When he get free time, then we will take the video. Just you can stop part. Yeah, yes, boys. So this is $1 Millionaire channel, and do you like today's opening Desert Vibe? What do you say about the Desert Vibe? Yeah,
Very good, very good.
a lot of people came. A lot of youngsters came today. So you see the cars, Lamborghini and Audi. You see Khalil is also Khalil is also checking. Yeah, see Khalil understand a little bit language. We are here, the father of Asif bhai, and this is the grandchildren. And how do you like this opening of Ahmad? Because a lot of people know him from the Instagram and Facebook and YouTube.
Very good. Allah Ta'ala को कामयाब करे.
Amen.
So very good start for the young boy.
Young boys here. Yeah. Yeah.
Allah इनको कामयाब करे.
कामयाब करे माशाल्लाह. Thanks very much. Yeah. सही है. Yeah, we are with the Subhan bhai. You see, Subhan bhai today grand opening of Desert Vibes because Ahmad little bit popular on YouTube and Instagram. So how do you like the opening? A lot of youngster people is here. Lot of crowd is waiting for the opening, and we are waiting for the Ahmad just arrived. So what do you say about this grand opening Desert Vibe?
Oh yeah, just when I arrived, I could tell there's a major event happening.
Yeah.
And mashallah, yeah, it's one of ours.
Yeah.
And I'm proud to be here, looking at the people, enjoying the vibes.
And lot of youngsters. What do you say about the youngsters?
Youngsters, that's the power of social media.
Social media, you see,
Yes, yes.
youngsters, the social media. Ahmad bhai, just come down, just $1 Millionaire channel, just waiting for 1 hour for Ahmad bhai for the grand opening. And what do you say about the grand opening?
Amazing response. I loved it.
And this is the unique opening. We have Khalil here, and we have Ferrari and Audi. This is the grand opening. So how do you see this innovation idea for opening?
Amazing.
And also with the drums, the drums.
Loved it. It's amazing.
And you have been from few months. You have been popular on social media, also Channel 9 News, Channel 7 News. Yes, guys, we are with Subhan bhai and Imran bhai. Both sometimes I confuse with the name, and but both are here with the grand opening. So, what do you say, Imran bhai? Grand opening today for Desert Vibes.
Amazing grand opening. Amazing. Everything's here. Cars, kids, adults, everyone.
And you see a lot of youngster people came. So, what do you think? Why a lot of youngster people waiting for this grand opening in Desert Vibes?
There's a lot of support for Ihtisham Ahmed, aka Horsebug. That's why everyone's here.
So, what do you say about this $1 Millionaire channel? I want to say that he opened with the caravan and Desert Vibe is a new innovation idea. So, what do you say in the future? How we will take to the heights, the business height, Desert Vibes?
It's not new, but it's something that has his name on it.
Yeah.
That's the only difference.
Okay, and the father of Ahmed Bhai, $1 million channel, welcome you. And what do you say about the grand opening today?
It's very beautiful day today, mashallah, good weather.
MashaAllah, good weather.
It's like a lot of customer coming and first day is like we're gonna make a good
Amazing.
And is there any promotion for opening day promotion?
We're going to opening day, we're going to give a free what's called that?
That's high.
No, free not SI, the game. What's called
The
that?
game.
PS5, yeah.
PS game, yeah,
We're giving
PS5, yeah,
a
PS5.
prize
These
for
kids,
the-
all these kids came for the PS5. They said that there is a raffle and also the rides also there.
free ride,
Yeah.
and maybe free SI later on once they
And how do you think this will Ahmed will take this one to the great height, because he's popular in social media nowadays. He's on the channel 7, channel 9 because waving flag, and he became a little bit viral. So what do you say?
Inshallah, we're going to make a good, going to be a very good, inshallah.
Yeah, that will be the power of social media. You see, once you are in the social media, you can increase the crowd. So Instagram also. Thank you very much, Driver. Thank you, Sulaiman bhai.
Thank you.
And
You are the best person,
yeah,
mashallah.
$1 million channel will also ask bhai your name.
Muhammad Rafiq.
Mohammad Rafi bhai, what do you say about the environment today?
Very nice.
Nice environment, yeah.
Very nice.
And lot of the
It's beautiful.
lot of family support. You know, you need family support also to enhance the game. So a lot of family support also there. And what is the name of the bhai?
Arsalan Sultan.
Arsalan Sultan bhai, what do you say about the today's event? Yeah. Yeah, Arsalan bhai.
This side.
Arsalan bhai. Yeah. What do you say, Arsalan bhai? The crowd is good. There are a lot of people, a lot of youngsters. Weather is nice. So what do you say about the today's grand opening, Ahmed? Yeah, he came in the
In front of Sham Ahmed opening right?
yeah.
Prepared like pancakes, acai and all that.
Yeah.
Inshallah, it's gonna be.
And they got the experience, you know.
Yeah.
Rockdale, you know, Ahmed also got the Rockdale Himalaya restaurant. He got experience from there.
Yeah.
So
Also, he has host. People can come and
yeah,
try.
Khalil, we already taken the interview of Khalil. Khalil understands a little language also, yeah. Khalil also popular, yeah.
Very interested.
Ah.
Good ride.
Khalil, yeah. Khalil like the rides also, you know.
Yeah.
The last time when I see Ahmed on the Bondi beach, Khalil is enjoying. Khalil enjoying the Bondi beach.
Yeah.
So that's what we need. Thank you very much for the interview for $1 million channel. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Yes, girls. So you are here at the opening day. So how do you like the acai ice cream here? So good. So what is this? This is called with Bono. Acai Road. So this is close to your home, Chester Hill and Sefton and Regent Park. So what do you say? You will come down every weekend?
Every day.
Every day, yeah, for acai. Yeah, yes. Good. Do you enjoy the acai today? Yeah. So which one you order? This one. Yeah. So what it's called? Passion fruit. Acai base. And what do you order? Passionate fruit. Do you like the environment?
Yes.
You see the girls are coming, youngsters are coming to enjoy the vibes, you know, vibes. So this is the vibes they are attracting. So you guys will come every weekend, huh?
Yes.
Every weekend to this one because it's close. Where do you live? Where do you close by?
I am not
Sefton.
telling you where I live.
Yeah, yes. No, just the area because this is Sefton. Yeah, Sefton. Yeah. So you see all girls, young boys like because he's popular a little bit. Ehtisham is popular on Instagram, Facebook. Yeah, you're also popular. So thank you, girls. Thank you for the interview for $1 million channel. You will see in the $1 millionaire. Yeah,
Is that what
yeah.
cousin?
This is
Millionaire?
no, $1 million is the channel name.
Wait,
So
$1 million?
millionaire.
Millionaire?
Yeah.
Millionaire?
Yeah, millionaire. I'm at what this is a caravan, so we have smoothies are there and also desert vibes, banana shake is there and acai vibes is there and different. So you see the girls, what they are making. This is a chocolate acai. The chocolate acai. Yeah. Keep the camera straight. Yeah, and also these boys are working sports car. Yeah, Simon also here. You see. Check it out, the sports car. Somewhat somewhat more popularity, and so some YouTubers also arriving today. So just will take some of the interview with the YouTubers also. Thereby some sports cars are arriving and some YouTubers are also arriving. So today is a happy day for Zahir bhai because Ahmad is, you know, one of the thing what $1 Million Challenge says that he's creating vibe for so long. He's creating vibe, maybe 2-3 years on Instagram and YouTube.
At a very
Yeah.
childhood,
Yeah.
at that time we was doing some lot of activities around.
On this one. So now he's just enhancing those social media into the business. That is good. You see, the guys are also sports car also. Nissan GR, you know, Nissan GR is there. Yeah, and here, come down here. You see the Lamborghini is here, and also yeah, Lamborghini housewife. Yeah, just come down here. Audi. And what do you say about this car? This is what is called? Yeah.
I don't know.
You don't know. What is this? This one, the antique model, yeah. Just show the antique model. You see. I don't know. Also, maybe you see the sports car. इधर नीचे पर नहीं होना है. पूरा straight होना है जैक के साथ. And also AJ Burgers also there. So this is a good close destination for us. So a lot of people can come here and have the desserts, and also youngsters they like this dessert, and also they have burger also here, so they can enjoy the burger and dessert also. So we'll just shut up with Ahmad after 10 minutes, okay? Thank you guys. Yeah, stop. You see guys, the kids also riding with the horse. They have the arrangement here also, horse riding arrangement. Khalil is a popular horse here, and the kids are riding, and they have the rides also here. Back to Asif Bhai here, $1 Million channel, and Asif Bhai is the owner of Himalaya Restaurant at Granville, and they are opening one more new restaurant at Lakimba, maybe soon in the month of November ending or December first week.
Inshallah.
Yeah, they are opening. Also, we are doing some work for lightning there. So Asif Bhai, what do you say about this grand opening?
Yeah,
Grand opening,
mashallah, look at this. It's amazing. You know,
Yeah.
look.
lot of youngsters is there
Lots
because
of youngsters because
Yeah.
of social media. That's a social media power, guys.
Yeah,
It's
because
now
of
a
the-
new trend.
new trend.
My nephew, yeah.
Asif Bhai is one of the big shot. We need to take interview when they open Himalaya, because he got restaurant at Bella Vista and Granville
Granville and few other places, Rockdale,
Rockdale
and
also,
we got Renwick
Renwick. So
and Penrith.
Penrith also. And what do you say about these cars, new cars, and all this display?
Amazing, mashallah. Look
Because this is the social media marketing, you know, you need to increase this type of things, you need to show off, so that to increase the social media marketing.
Yeah.
And the ice cream, Asahi is popular in the youngsters. So what do you say about the ice cream? You are the top chef at Himalaya, and you know about the food industry. So how they will enhance the business, and how they will bring out the customer here. What do you say about the business point of view?
My nephew, he got experience.
Yeah.
He opened up a shop in Rockdale.
Yeah.
Nearly 1 year back. So he
Yeah,
got
yeah,
a bit of
Rockdale, yeah.
experience. Asai is a new trend of ice cream, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
And lots of youngsters like that.
Yeah.
And that's why it's a plus point. It's different ice cream, and everyone love it.
Yeah, and what about the location? This is Chester Hill, Regent Park, Sefton, and
All central area.
all central area. So what do you say about the location? Because you are more experienced in that.
Very good location, because you have a parking facilities as well.
Facilities is there.
And
Yeah.
that's very important for any business to be successful. You need a parking. So there's a lots of parking
Parking on the road also.
facilities, road parking, no problem whatsoever, guys. And good luck to my nephew, Sham Ahmed, and his
Khalil.
Khalil. Look at this.
Yeah, Khalil.
And because of Khalil,
Yeah, we'll get a ride on Khalil.
yeah, we got a ride on Khalil soon.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Good luck to my nephew, Sham, and family.
Yeah, thanks Ahmed bhai. You are recently viral on social media, and a lot of people seeing you because of the Bondi Beach and Channel 9 and Channel 7
Wow.
News.
Yeah,
So this is
yeah.
a nice opening. The family support is here. So what do you say about the business? How you want to enhance, and what is the innovative ideas in Desert Vibes?
This is advice we've got Asai dogs, we've got all mango stuff, so like it's a vast option.
Yeah,
we
vast
needed this
option.
in Sefton, so that's why we're here to bring change. We bring the vibes.
Vibes,
It's not about
yeah.
the desserts, it's about the vibes.
So, Ahmed is creating vibes of
Yeah, no,
previous,
that's how
and
many,
he's
yeah.
now they're cashing out the vibes with the desert vibes. So and Asif bhai said that they got a good environment, good nice parking area, and a good area is there. So what do you say about the area and the people here, Chester Hill, Sefton, Regent Park?
Amazing.
Amazing, a lot of people.
Come down, inshallah.
Best of luck, Ahmed bhai. Thanks for giving
मेरे
us.
वीडियो बना साड़ी मेरे पापा ना